Hi friends, this is the Expert Writing Rubric. Please have your writing piece ready. If you do not have your piece of writing in front of you, please go and get it. You can see I have my writing all ready too. We're going to read this rubric together. When I read the word in each block to you, you need to be ready to look at your work too. Let's get started. In this top box, it says, I have a title for my writing. Let me check my writing. I do have a title. It says, The Park. So I can put a check mark there. Let's go to the next box. I can punctuate each sentence. Let me look. Yep, I have a period there. We will run fast. Yes, I have an exclamation point. We will have a yummy lunch and then go home, period. Yes, so I can put an X in that box because I did punctuate each sentence. Now you check your piece of writing. You can pause the video if you need to. In this box, it says, my handwriting is neat. So look at your writing and I'll look at my writing. My handwriting is neat. Is yours? If it is, go ahead and put an X in the box. Okay, on to the next one. I can begin my sentence with an uppercase letter, just like this. Let's go and look over at my writing. Let me see. Yes, I have an uppercase there. And on this sentence I do. And this one. Yep, I'm good. I started my sentence with a capital letter. I'm going to put an X in the box. Check your work. Okay, now this box says, my sentence makes sense. The example says, we can play. That makes sense. I'm going to check my writing. My story is called The Park. I can go to the park. We will run fast. We will have yummy lunch and then go home. That makes sense. So I can put an X in this box. Now you read your writing and make sure it makes sense. This box says, I can use descriptive words in my writing. Okay, so let's go over here to my writing and see if I used any describing words. Let's see. I see one here in red. We will run, but then I added the word fast. Fast is a describing word. Because how am I going to run? Fast. And then I have another one right here in red, and it's describing my lunch. I said, we will have yummy lunch. So yummy is the describing word. So if you put fun describing words in yours, go ahead and put an X here. If you forgot today, then don't put an X there. You can work on that next time. I can put finger spaces between my words. Let's look up at this example. Here's an example that says, I can go to the park, but there's no spaces here. Look how squished that is. So if I look at this one, do you see how those spaces are there? If your writing's like my writing and you have spaces, put an X in there. This one says, I can spell my words correctly and use inventive spelling as needed. So I did exactly that. I used my word wall and I spelled the word can and go and to and the all correctly because I used my word wall. Then I stretchy snaked out the word park. Ark. So I can put a check mark. And the last one is I can add picture details. Now I didn't draw a picture here, boys and girls, but I'm sure you can look at yours and see if your picture has a lot of colors and nice detail, you can mark this off too. I hope you learned a lot from this video. If you need to rewind it, go back and watch it again. Have fun!